The Galactica Tranctica with another tutorial video. This video aims to teach you the basics on how to create a simple melody in GarageBand. GarageBand is classed as a DAW, which stands for Digital Audio Workstation. GarageBand is the lesser version of the DAW Logic Pro X. With that being said, let's get straight into this video. So, firstly, once you've launched GarageBand from the Launchpad on your Mac, you will see this window, Empty Project. So let's choose Empty Project, and then you click Choose. Then you'll be faced with this window. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Software Instrument. So press Create. Then you'll see Musical Typing. If you have a MIDI keyboard, you'll use a MIDI keyboard and not musical typing, but since today we haven't got a MIDI keyboard available, we'll be using the musical typing. So as you can see, this represents the keyboard, a piano keyboard. The letters on it represent the keys on your keyboard on your computer. So if I want to play, for example, the note of A, I'd press the key H, so it's like that, see? So to create the melody, what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose piano, the Steinway grand piano, and then I'm going to use a metronome to keep me in time while I record the melody. So the melody I'm going to use is F major, E minor and A minor. So let's do that. So to start recording, you press R on your keyboard. To stop it recording, you just press the space bar. So, as you can see, I've got a basic chord progression with F major, E minor and A minor. So, I'm going to click out of that, so you press that to remove that. And now, what I'm going to use, I'm going to play that back so you can hear it. Now, that may sound a little bit boring, so we're going to change that a little bit. So, what I'm going to do, if I go down to this bit here, and then choose, let's have a look, Synth Basics. So, if we choose one of these, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose the Gnarly Trance Plug. If I select that, that'll change this track to that track. So it won't be a Steinway grand piano anymore, it'll be the Gnarly Trance Plug. So let's do that. So I just click on it, and as you can see, it's changed it to that. Now, if you listen to that, it'll sound more interesting. As you can see, we've created a simple melody by just playing in some simple chords. So let's make this a little bit more interesting. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to make more room here. So to close this side panel down, you just click this here, the library button, and then it creates a little bit more room in your workspace. So now I'm going to take advantage of the Apple loops. So if in the right hand corner you'll see this loop symbol. If you click that, it opens the loop browser. Now in the loop browser there is hundreds of samples of ideas of what you can actually put into your music. So what I want to do next, I want to put in a drum beat. So if I go to genre, I'm going to try electric, and then we'll have a little look, see what we've got. Down here. While I'm doing this, I would like to ask if you could subscribe to the channel, give us a like on the channel. It not only helps independent creators like myself, but it helps my channel grow. So I'm looking for, that's the one I like, so the 4-floor shuffle, you'll use that one. So what you do, you click on it, you hold the left hand mouse key down and drag it into your workspace, so like that. And then obviously you can see that's my melody is a little bit bigger than the drums, so you can loop the drums by just hovering your mouse over it until you see the loop option, and then you just click and drag like that. So to knock it back to the beginning, you press the return key, and then to start it to play back, it's a space bar. So now it's starting to sound a little bit better. So now I'm going to go out the loops by you just click on the loop button again and it closes that down. Now I'm going to put a pad in to make it sound more trancy. So I go to the library, click on that, and then what I'll do, I'll create another track here. So I go to the add button, software instrument, and that creates another track. But at the moment it's the classic electric piano, which we don't want. We want a pad. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find the pads. So I think they're in the synthesizer section. Pad, and I'm looking for a pad, so say the massive trance pad. So I'm going to click the massive trance pad. So as you can see, this is changed to the massive trance pad. I'm going to click out of that to make more room. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this melody down here. into the massive transpad. So we got 2 of each. So to do that, what you do, you click onto the one you want to copy, you press Option on your keyboard, and then drag that down. And as you can see, it's made a copy, but that one's the trans plug and that one's a massive transpad. So if we play that back, and that is how you make a basic melody on GarageBand. I hope this has helped, and remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, as it does help the channel a tremendous lot, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.